When I got the call to do The Masked Singer, it was a no-brainer.
Stand-up comedian and roast master, Nikki Glaser!
I always had a song in my heart, and I've never been able to sing it because that seems insane that a comedian should sing love songs and ballads sincerely. It's just, ugh. I knew that the only way that I could get anyone to take me seriously in this regard was to wear a giant Frozen-type Groot mask. Making it to the first Battle Royale, I probably was more excited that day than I was when I made it to the semis. Since you've been gone. I was just so proud of myself. I was so surprised that I didn't get eliminated first because that is what has happened to me in every celebrity competition show.
You were like a snow blizzard. You came here and dominated.
The Masked Singer was truly one of the best experiences of my life. And people say that about TV shows all the time, but I swear to God, they're lying.
When I'm with him, I am thinking of you.
I'm sorry to stand-up comedy. I love you. Thank you for everything you've given to me. Now I'm a sincere singer, okay? So, bye, comedy. Well, Snowstorm, we've reached the end of the road. I love you and I'll miss you. Can we get a minute?